Greetings of peace. Now, you've had some presentations in the past about the Make Me a Genius program and the Make Me a Polymath program. Now, what do we actually teach in these programs? So we'll highlight this through an example. Let's take the example of mathematics. So let's take the example of a circle. Now, what is the area of a circle? And the answer is pi r squared. And most mid-school and high school students would be able to answer that. Even most junior school students would be able to answer that. But there, the school curriculum ends. They just teach you what, and they don't force you to think why. This is what we do in the Make Me a Genius and the Make Me a Polymath programs. Now, why is the area of a circle pi r squared? And probably you've never thought about it. You don't know the answer to it. So these are the sort of critical thinking areas, the gray areas which remain unexplored in the students' minds. And as such, he never develops this habit of critical thinking. So he's now forced to think, why is the area of a circle pi r squared? For example, area of a square. Area of a square is probably the simplest. It's a square, a being the side of a square. But the area of a circle is somewhat more complex. But they know the formula, they memorize it, but they don't know how it is pi r squared. So it is there that the Make Me a Genius and the Make Me a Polymath training programs is of so much benefit to our students. It encourages critical thinking. It not just encourages critical thinking, it forces them to think, and they're also taught the answers and how the answers are derived at. So this is a miracle. This is a great experience, a great learning experience for all of our students. I'm sure that even high school students would not know the answer to this question, why is the area of a circle pi r squared? This is just one example. There are many examples we can give. So our purpose is not to overwhelm with you lots and lots of examples. This is just a demonstration of what sort of things we actually do in these programs. Now, what is the difference between the Make Me a Genius and the Make Me a Polymath program? Now, essentially, this example has been cited in this information session because it fits very well in both of these programs. It's a suitable example for both of these programs. Make Me a Genius program, for someone who intends to specialize in the field of mathematics, obviously relevant. This question is relevant. If he wants to specialize, I mean, genius is no joke. So if he is supposed to reach that level of expertise, he is supposed to know these things. So it's relevant there. And for the Make Me a Polymath program too, for those who want to specialize in multiple areas, I mean, polymath is a person who intends to specialize, who does specialize in multiple areas. Then if mathematics is also one of the subjects or areas of specialization, then this is relevant over there as well. So this was a short informative session of the things we're trying to do in these programs and how this particular example is relevant to both the programs. And this is just one example. We'll have many more examples also to share with you. That's it for now. Thanks.